If you're looking for a cabbage recipe that is going to take less than 15 minutes to prepare and it's delicious, not overcooked, loaded with protein, and it's very flavorful, well, today I'm going to be showing you how to cook smokies and cabbage, and it's going to be incredible. For the recipe, you'll need a few fresh ingredients, and I've shredded half a cabbage. I have some garlic, green and red onions, capsicum, smokies, salt, cooking oil, and a chicken stock cube, which is going to add in lots of flavor. Because everything is ready, I'm going to get straight into cooking this delicious cabbage recipe by placing a pan over medium flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And as you can see, my shredded cabbage has some green leaves in it, the outer part of the cabbage, because we need some color in our cabbage. Spread the oil in the pan, and I'm the kind of person that loves prepping up everything before cooking because it makes work easier. Place in my green and red onions, and then I'm going to saute for around 30 seconds to 1 minute until the onions are soft. I love using green onions when it comes to cabbage recipes because it adds in a very nice flavor to the cabbage. And as you can see, I've chopped up the white part of the green onions, not the green leaves. As the onions are cooking, I'm going to be slicing up my smokies. Back to my onions, and this is how they're looking. You can see they have a very nice golden color, so I'm going to add in my garlic and cook for around 30 seconds until it's very flavorful and the kitchen is smelling amazing. So I'll add in a chicken stock cube and salt. Add in my smokies. Then next you're going to add in your shredded cabbage. Toss the cabbage together with the smokies and the delicious onions and garlic together with the chicken stock cube and salt. The recipe is very simple. So the chicken stock cube is going to add in a very nice chicken flavor. You can substitute with maybe vegetable stock cube or beef stock cube. The perfect trick for your cabbage not to turn out watery is not to cover using a lid, because it will cook instead of steaming. While the cabbage is cooking, it's going to wilt down and soak in all those nice flavors. And it's cooking very fast, so I'm going to check the seasoning. We'll need a little bit more salt for that perfect seasoning. Continue tossing the cabbage, smokies for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, this is how your cabbage is going to be looking like. So you're going to add in some red or green capsicum. Cook for another 1 minute. And the red capsicum is going to add in lots of color to the cabbage in a very nice way. I love that you can spot some red color from the capsicum. We have smokies that are perfectly cooked and the cabbage is not overcooked. So everything is just perfect. This is a recipe worth trying because you can whip up in a matter of around 10 to 15 minutes, including the prep time for your vegetables, and everyone is going to enjoy their lunch or dinner. Serve the cabbage over some rice or even chapati, and it's going to be fantastic.